Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go through some of my December favorites, Christmas edition from Dollar Tree. And since you're here, you might as well subscribe down below. It literally costs you nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and picked up these cute little Krabby Patties that look like a Christmas tree. I think these would go so perfect in a stocking. They fit into the stocking, and I highly recommend that before you buy them, you kind of give them a little squeeze so that you can see if they are good, or if they're too hard, don't pick them up. They should be gummy. Okay, so next we went ahead and picked up some peppermint shot glasses. I thought these were so cute. So these make great gifts, and these are great for small get-togethers for the holidays. This year we decided that we're gonna make a hot cocoa bar. So I thought of all the things that I could kind of gather that were from Dollar Tree. So what I did pick up were these cute little Santas. Look at how cute they are. These little Santas, so they're supposed to melt away in the hot cocoa. And not only that, but they're actually like a brand that I recognize. So we're gonna put these in our bar. And then of course you have to have the marshmallows. So I thought these were cute. I hope they melt, which I'm pretty sure they will. And I'm just gonna kind of put them like in a nice little glass, and they'll be there. And then I know everybody is picking these up, so I picked some up as well. I picked up the chocolate spoons and the peppermint spoons. So I know I heard that the chocolate and the peppermint spoons don't really taste that good, but we're just gonna use them as little stirs, and I think it's gonna give it a cute little aesthetic look. Okay, so my Dollar Tree is a Dollar Tree Plus, and I actually picked this one up for $5. For $5, I thought, why not? I love Dollar Tree Plus. If you have a Dollar Tree Plus in your area, I highly recommend that you go and pick one up. Okay, so of course, you know I love a good craft, so I picked up these. I know people are doing crafts with these and all that, but I think these are great for kids, and I think that Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, this is just something for them to do that will keep them preoccupied. And it comes with literally everything that you need. Okay, so on to the decor. So I picked up this sign. Word of advice, whenever you buy these with a bunch of glitter, spray them down with hairspray. They will last you so much longer. I mean, granted, it's from the dollar store, but I think these are so cute. I have a plan for this one. I think I'm probably gonna place it above my sink. And people are making really great DIYs with those. I also picked these up. I really like these to fill in like those tiny little trees from Dollar Tree. I think these come in handy. So I know they sell out pretty quickly. So if you can grab these, get them, because I missed out on them last year. And this item, I always recommend, if you see the command strips at Dollar Tree, pick them up. I like these because you can put them on the wall and take them off, and they won't leave any kind of residue on your walls. Okay, so some other decor items that I picked up that I really like are these. I picked these up for my little village I plan on putting together. And then I also picked up this one. Look at how cute this is. And then look at how it lights up. Oh. Let's pull that. Look at how cute that is. Lights up different colors. Okay, so last but not least, a few of the dish items that I really like this year were these two mugs. So the green one, it says "Let It Snow." I thought this one was so pretty. This red one says "Eat, sleep, and be merry." I thought these were cute, and I think these might be great gifts, or just for you to have all of December to put your coffee in. And these are hand wash only. Do not microwave. Do not microwave or put in the dishwasher. So These definitely need to be hand washed. Okay, and then I picked up this little cup for my little one. Look at how cute this is. So let me give you a size comparison. Mommy and babies. So look at how cute, and it comes with like a little straw. How cute is that? And then there's like a little straw on the inside. So this one's pretty thick, and this one the same thing, hand wash only, no microwave, no dishwasher. But I thought these were cute, and I like to use these for the season, and then if they get broken or they're no longer good, they were only $1. And then I finally found this. I had been looking for it, cookies for Santa. So I got the little plate. Right now my little one is little, so I think this is perfect because we'll put out some cookies for Santa on the 24th. And with the plates, so the reason I didn't pick one up last year was because the ones I found were all kind of marked up. And this year I actually found one completely intact, no chip marks on it, so that is why I picked it up. And a lot of these items, I would say when you see it, pick it up because they won't last in store. Okay, so I also picked these up. I do recommend that if you find the Hallmark wrapping paper, that you pick up the characters that you want. So I picked up Nightmare Before Christmas. Look at how cute these are. Now, I do recommend picking up a couple of them because the roll length isn't very much. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.